guys, welcome back. This is Lena. So it's summertime now, and you know how badly our skin gets tanned. So today I'm going to make a nice sun tan removal face pack, which will be really good for you youngsters out there, even for kids from 12 months to 12 years or even 20 years old. This is a really nice face pack that I'll be doing, and this will remove your skin tan, and all newborn babies, small kids to teenagers, everybody can use this. This is really skin friendly, and these products are all easily available at home. It won't harm your skin, it's chemical free. So let's start with the video. So I've just taken about 2 tablespoons of milk here, raw milk, to which I'm going to add some kesar, about 2 to 3 strands of kesar. So now I'm just going to mix it and we'll let it stay for about 5 minutes. So the color will come out like a little yellow color. So we'll just wait for that for about 5 minutes. And now I'm just going to take some gram flour and I'm going to put it in this. So now we've mixed the besan, gram flour and milk. Now we'll just add some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is really good for tan removal. You all can use fresh aloe vera gel, and if you don't have fresh aloe vera gel, you can use a bottle like this, or even the Patanjali one is really good. So now let's mix all these things together. Now I'll apply it on my face. So if it's for kids, let them just stay for about 10 minutes. They'll, feel irritated and they wouldn't want to stay for that long. And if you're an adult, you can just let it stay for about 15 minutes and let it dry completely, and then you rinse your face. So I have washed my face now, and I can really see my shade becoming one shade lighter, and the tan is kind of gone. So y'all should definitely try this, and it's very simple, good for kids, for teenagers, for every age, and especially for people who have sensitive skin. This is really good for your skin. So try this, let me know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to hit the like button. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So a lot of people ask me, what kind of diet do you do? How much water do you drink? And I was like, how much water do you drink? It's a really nice question. So I thought I'll come here and do a video with you. So this is about do's and don'ts of drinking water. I am not a professional or anything, but this is what I do. So I thought I'll come and share it with you guys. So let's start. So guys, I follow Ayurveda, and you've seen my videos earlier also. So here are the 5 things that you need to keep in mind while drinking water. So let's start. So the first one is drink purified water. It's really important. It will be good for your health also. And the second one is always make sure that you're sitting and drinking water. Don't drink water when you're standing. It's not good for your digestion, so it's not good. Always make sure that you sit and drink water. My nani used to tell me that बैठ के पानी पीने तो घुटने में दर्द हो जाएगा. So I used to think ये क्या है, but now I got to know it's not literally like घुटने में दर्द हो जाएगा, but it's good. It's not good for your digestion. So sit down and drink water. And the third thing is you need to sip water throughout the day. So don't gulp it down, and don't drink water really fast. That's also not good. So aram se you drink water. Take chotu sips and drink water. And the fourth one is make sure that you don't drink water in between your meals. So either you drink it before, half an hour before, or maybe about 40 minutes after you have your meals. What I usually do is I drink water half an hour before. I drink a lot of water half an hour before I eat my meals, because I think then I will eat a little less. So that's what I do. That's a little tip from me. That's what I've been following and it worked for me. So that's what I do. And the next one is drink water when you're thirsty. So it actually depends on person to person. So Ayurveda, it says that everybody's different. So some of y'all might need more water, some of y'all might need less water. So always drink water when you're thirsty. Your body tells you that you need to drink water. And very important tip is check your urine. Okay, if it's like a darker color or something, then you're definitely like dehydrated. So make sure that you check that. If your urine is clear, means that you're quite well hydrated. So that's another tip. So these were a few tips. So as I told you, don't drink water katakar fast. Around se piyo. Sit down and drink water. Half an hour before your meals you drink water. And while you're eating, if you're thirsty, you can drink buttermilk, neem pani or something. And drink water when you're thirsty. During summer, of course, you will feel thirsty and you will drink more water. So your body tells you when you want to drink water. Please check your urine. If it's like a yellowish color or something, then you're dehydrated. So you need to drink water. So if your urine is clear, you're very well hydrated, no problem. And also when your lips are too dry, you're dehydrated. So drink water. And nowadays they say ki 3 liter pee lo, 4 liter pee lo. I think it's crazy. How can you sit and drink so much water? You'll keep peeing all the time. So I know I've done this before, and I heard ki 3 liter pani pina chahiye, 4 liters. So I used to drink so much water earlier. But now I've cut it down. 2 liters is good enough for me, for my body. So you study your body, you will know how it's reacting. Okay, if your skin is not very clear, start drinking more water. Check. You will get to know. So try all these things and let me know. And if you have any more tips, even if you think I've gone wrong somewhere, I need to correct myself or something, please let me know. I'm here to learn. And if there's anything else, do let me know. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. And I will see you soon, guys. Bye.
Hi guys, how are you today? I hope you all are doing fine. And as you can see कि धूप बहुत हो रही है and everybody is getting tan. Nothing is hotter than the sun these days. So tan का home remedies मिलना, it's kind of difficult, but I have a solution for you guys. It is a longer procedure, but eventually it gives you good results. So without wasting any time, let's get into our anti-tan home remedy. So for this home remedy, we need 6 different products. First, we'll need flour या आटा. The next product we'll need is rice flour. The next important product is multani mitti. To mix these 3 products together, we'll be using milk. And to cleanse your face after using these products, we'll be using baking soda. And the last and the most final product for moisturizing is aloe vera gel. Let's not waste any time and I'll just show you how to make this paste. So first we'll start with flour. We'll take a tablespoon of flour. The next product we'll use is rice flour, 1 tablespoon. The next product we'll use is multani mitti, 1 tablespoon as well. To make a paste of all these powder products, we will use 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm just adding 2 tablespoons right now just to see the consistency, and we'll eventually add more if the consistency is too thick. the consistency is too thick, so I'll add another spoon of milk. This is how it should look. So our next step will be cleansing our face first. We will clean our face with wet wipes. The mixture that we just made, we'll apply it on our face. You can use a brush or you can use your fingers. After you apply it on your face, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. This mixture can also be used for your hands, your legs, or anywhere that you have been tanned. And it is very effective, but you have to be consistent with it. Use it at least once a week. You can wipe it off with tissue paper or you can just rinse your face with water. So after the first step of application of these products, our next step will be cleansing. We need to cleanse after using these products to remove the tan on our skin. For this, we will be using baking soda, and milk. Just add a tablespoon of baking soda to the bowl. And just 1 tablespoon of milk. We'll mix these two products together. It will have a very watery consistency. Take a tissue paper, dip it into the mixture. You can also use a cotton ball instead of tissue paper and just wipe your skin. Use your fingers to rub the baking soda on your pores because baking soda also acts like a scrub. So it will deep cleanse your pores. After you have rubbed the product in your skin, Make sure that you use very soft hands while using this product, because baking soda is harsh and you don't want to cut your skin while using baking soda. So use very soft hands and scrub it very gently. After doing this, just wash off the product and I'll be right back. So once you're done cleansing your face with baking soda and milk, wash it off, and the last and final step of our anti-tan home remedy is aloe vera gel. Just take a little bit of aloe vera gel on your fingers and just apply it directly. It acts as a moisturizer. This is the most essential step for people with dry skin. Do not forget to moisturize your skin. So these were the 3 steps of our anti-tan home remedy. I hope it helps you remove your tan lines. And if you really like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And if you want any more interesting videos or home remedies like this, comment down below and we'll surely work on it. Follow us on Instagram, Foxy Makeup Tips, and you can follow me on Instagram, Simbo Art. Thank you.